Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another non-phone work from home daily job lead. Just a little reminder, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online. Also, companies sometimes only accept so many applications and then they take the job listing down and they sort through the applications they have received and start scheduling interviews. So if you're watching this video more than 24 to 48 hours after I've posted it, it is always a possibility that they are no longer accepting applications. So just know that going in. If you always want to be notified the minute I post a job lead, so you can get your application in, make sure you're subscribed and have your notifications turned on. That way you don't miss any job lead that you really want to apply to. But without further ado, today's job lead is from the company Wanderoo, and they are hiring a customer support agent, but this is for non-phone. This is remote for the United States only. And it says you'll be doing live chat and email-based customer support. It says right here, no phones. You'll be reviewing and approving customer travel reviews. You'll monitor conversations on social media and other platforms. You'll route inbound conversations to the appropriate team, and you'll identify new tools, technology, and trends that could be utilized. So they are looking for someone who has excellent writing skills. They said they will require writing samples. If you have remote work experience, that's a plus, but not required. They are looking for someone who has 3 or more years in customer service, and you also have to have your own laptop or computer. They do not provide that for you. Now, this is a part-time position. They expect to be under 29 hours a week, and the schedule is Monday, Thursday, Friday, 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is like a second shift evening afternoon position. And then on Saturdays and Sundays, the on-off schedule is around 3 to 4 hours spread out throughout the day. It does not say what hours on Saturday or Sunday you would be working. Now, on Wanderoo's GlassDoor page, there are 8 reviews from previous people that have worked with the company. All 8 scored them at a 5-star. They have a perfect 5-star rating on GlassDoor. I will have the GlassDoor page as well as their BBB page linked down below with the job lead posting. So they have great reviews of the people that have reviewed them. They have an A- score with the BBB, so it looks like a completely legit company. They don't state what they pay, and I could not find any salary estimates, so you would have to ask them at the time of the interview. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Comments are always welcome down below, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.